Well, here we are in Anderson on a warm July day, and we're here for a great event. As you can see, we have many of Anderson's finest around us. We're getting ready to take part in the dedication of the newest piece of emergency equipment for the city of Anderson and the Anderson Fire Department. You know, it was just about 10 months ago that I had the occasion to come out here to Station 8 and saw a pumper truck that was just leaking full of water. It was unbelievable. They were losing 250 gallons a day, and they felt the cost of repair would far exceed the value of putting that money into it. And so Chief Cravens and the rest of the department worked hard to look at ways that we could replace the truck. And in a little bit, Chief Cravens is going to speak a little bit about what they did to do that. But sitting behind us now is the new pumper truck that, instead of having 500-gallon capacity, has 1,000-pound capacity. So as the mayor of the city, I'm proud to be standing here with all of you. Thank you for everything that you've done to help make this possible, Chief, and let you go ahead and tell the folks a little bit about what this truck does, how you came to acquire it, and what it's going to be able to do and mean for the people of the city of Anderson.
Sure. Yeah. Good afternoon. This truck is a 1,000-gallon truck, pumps 1,250 gallons per gallons per water. We was able to purchase this truck at FDIC, which is the world's largest fire convention. And it's a convention of fire departments all over the world and stuff. It gives us a unique opportunity to buy and purchase equipment. We had 3 fire trucks that was eating into our budget. That was costing us a lot of money in repairs, more than what a pump truck would have cost us. So we was able to trade in 3 trucks and purchase a new truck. We purchased this truck for $315,000, and with our trade-in, we only spent $2,000. And that's doing more with less for the fire department and for the city of Anderson. And we greatly appreciate the mayor and the mayor's support in doing that. This truck, being a 1,000-gallon pumper truck, is our largest pumper truck, which is really important. The last truck we had was 500 gallons, leaked out about 250 gallons on the floor and stuff. This truck also provides ALS, BLS services, hazmat monitoring kit on it, rescue ropes, advanced life support, and basic life supports and stuff. This station, Station 8, provides 4,500 runs a year. That's almost 13 runs a day. That's moving. That's a busy station, and we provide a great service and one of the best fire departments in the state. You know, I wanted to talk a little bit also. This is a stainless steel truck. It's corrosion free. It won't rust. We also have a pump on there to maintain our brakes and our system. One of the things I wanted to talk about was tradition of the fire department. Today we'll be doing a traditional wet down, dry down tradition. In the early 1900s, they used to take the horses and the hand pumps, and they would wash them off, separate the horses, and then dry off the pumps and push them into the station. That's what we'll be doing today and dedicating the truck and stuff. I wanted to talk about the multi-cross that we symbolize as a fire truck. This started in the early Knights of Columbus, Crusaders and stuff, when they was fighting in the Holy Lands. And when they was fighting in the Holy Lands, they was bombarded by glass with flammable liquids. And then they got bombarded by torches and stuff. So these were our first firefighters. These Crusaders was heroes, and they was ordered a cross. It was a multi-cross. And when you receive this cross that we wear today, every firefighter wears today, it symbolizes that you're willing to lay your life down. Only one ladder run away from death. You know, this symbolizes every fire department just about in the world, and that's what it means. There's 8 points on this multi-cross. They stand for bravery, loyalty, generosity, glory, honor, contempt of death, helplessness, and respect for the poor and rich. So that's what the tradition of the fire department means, and we greatly appreciate it and appreciate the administration and having their support to be able to do what we need to do, provide services to the taxpayers. What we're going to do is do a little countdown here. We'll go down from 3 to 1, and then we'll cut, okay? You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mayor.
Good job. Good job. Thank you, Wilbert.